Hi traders, welcome to Daily Forex Analysis by Trade with Asim and Sajjad. We're looking at economic calendar. We don't have much, but in a moment we are expecting German PPI MOM. Looks a bit weaker for Euro. Now OPEC meeting is expected, and this is very big news for oil and especially for Canadian dollar. Then later after US Open, we are expecting core retail sales for Canadian dollar and looks very good. We might see a bigger drop in USDCAD. Other than that, nothing special. So just be careful with the US dollar and Canadian dollar. We moved to DXY, and yesterday was very interesting and very unexpected actually for me. I was expecting a big drop in the US dollar, but sometimes the bigger banks or institutions, they just take the market to the wrong direction, and it went all the way, hitting all stop losses for many traders. Unluckily, I was on the other side too, but then before the day closed, because of the Trump speech, there was a very big drop in the US dollar, and luckily then I recovered my trades. Let's see how it looks on 1 hour time frame. Here it is. You can see yesterday it just kept climbing up, and then suddenly Trump started to speak, and there was such a big drop, and I just managed to recover my losses at this time. Even this morning it started well, but for a couple of hours it went up. Right now it's just on the path. I'm expecting a bigger drop again. Today my target is 94.65. I'm looking at this figure, so let's see if things get changed again for US dollar and we see any strength, then it can go to 95.67. You look at 4 hour time frame, and on the 4 hour too, here you can see it's pretty much a bearish trend, and it is supposed to drop more. On the daily, let's see how we have noticed that a couple of times it dropped from this level. So hopefully it's just doing well at the moment, and by the end of the day we might see 94.65. We moved to Euro USD, and Euro USD was hit badly yesterday. It went all the way to 1.1579, but after that it recovered, and right now it's just doing well. Today I'm looking at 1.1709 and above. On the other hand, it can again drop, and if it drops, then it's heading to 1.1579. Let's see how it is on 1 hour time frame, and on 1 hour it's just trying hard. Only this one candle it changed the scenario, but it's pretty much close to break this 100 moving average, and once it closes above it, it's heading to its target. On the 4 hour time frame, and here it is. It just recovered so far. We have 1 hour left in the 4 hour time frame. This candle, so it's quite possible that it can go, because you can see the momentum is quite strong. So I'm expecting that today it will be around 1.1709 or much above. We move to GBPUSD, and GBPUSD looks a bit weaker than Euro, though it's also trying hard to go up, because it bounced back from a very crucial support level 1.2956. So if it continues its upward movement today, it can reach to 1.3115 and above. If it doesn't, then it can again drop to 1.2956. We just reconfirm on 1 hour and 4 hour time frames. On 1 hour, though it's not very good, but still it's struggling, and hopefully it can go up. Right now it's just moving sideways. And on the 4 hour time frame, yes, on the 4 hour it's looking a bit promising, and we will see how this candle closes. Right now I cannot just say 100%, but it's really trying hard to go up all the way. We see USD CAD and USD CAD too. You can see the other day's candle was a very clear indication for drop, but then we see all the way it went up. And today I'm expecting that after the Canadian data and also OPEC meeting, we might see a very big drop again. It can erase yesterday's profits, so it's heading to 1.3164. I myself am bearish on Canadian USD CAD pair, although technically if this kind of candle is formed, it's normally heading up, and it's looking like it's uptrend, but I'm taking a little risk because I don't believe this is a real candle. So today it can drop again to 1.3164 and below. Otherwise, if it doesn't, then it's heading to 1.3353 and above on 1 hour and 4 hour too. Here you can see on the 1 hour very strong trend, and it will depend in the next few hours how this goes. At the moment it's on the support level. Let's see on the 4 hour time frame, and here it is on the 4 hour time frame. It's a very big rejection, and if it closes in red, it's definitely a good indication for a short. If you see this 4 hour candle in red after 1 hour, then you can short this pair. Our last pair, gold too really did well last night. Though it dropped to 1211, but this is a very big support level area, especially 1215 I was expecting, but then because of the momentum it went all the way down, but now it's doing very well. If it can hold this level and next week especially, I'm seeing a very big reversal in gold. For today my target is 1229.79. It can try today to go up all the way. If US dollar keeps dropping, we might see gold going up. On the other hand, if it keeps dropping, and then it's heading to 1211 again. But the next week will be very crucial for gold. If it drops today, then the next week maximum it can go to 1200. And I mentioned a few times before too, it's a potential best trade of 2018. If you are lucky enough and you take a buy trade from the bottom, it can go at least to 1360 and above. So just make sure that you take one trade in gold, and it's a long term, it's a lifetime opportunity. So let's see. I will also I'm already in the trade actually, but things can just go against us for a few days, but in the long run it's a very potential trade. Let's make it sure that it's going well on 1 hour time frame. Here it is. It's just trying only this candle changed the scenario, but right now it's struggling to go up again, and hopefully it does. On the 4 hour, when we see 4 hour time frame, though it doesn't look very good at the moment, but we still have 48 minutes in this candle, so we will see how it closes. But even then I'm taking a little risk. I'm bullish on gold, and I hope that it can close around 1229 and above for today. Definitely next week is very crucial for gold, and we can see a bigger rally in gold prices. So that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Also comment and share our videos. I will see you with a weekly video. Until then, take care and bye.